My highlight this term was getting an offer to study Earth Sciences at the University of Oxford.
Our highlight over the half term has been that college have kept us engaged with talks on teams with celebrity chefs such as Adam Smith and Craig Sherrington.
Our highlight this term has been the students designing, 3D printing and coding our in-move robot.
The highlight of our term is that we reached 100% on our external examination in health and social care with a choice of either communication or safeguarding.
Our highlights this term have been listening to guest speakers such as Jack Maudsley from Disney Cruises, the Boaty Theatre and Darren Jones.
My favourite highlight of the term is taking part in the Lunar Challenge and doing the miles to the moon and pushing daily.
So my highlight this term has been conducting virtual work placement with the Manchester Metropolitan University on collecting radio waves from polar orbiting satellites.
Our highlight this term is apply for the police apprenticeship with Merseyside Police.
Completing my training with the British Army Reserve.
Our highlight this term has been learning at home on Teams the theoretical knowledge and then applying it in class to our practical sessions.
My highlight of this term with my students was working with Brian Meller at Hart Hill Country School in Tatton Hall, doing surveying. The students were doing work experience where they were designing items to put into the school for.
Our highlight this term is using Padlet to continue our learning online during the lockdown.
Our highlights this term is 85% of our class have gained places in higher education at the college or university.
The highlight for this term in preparation for life and work for the students has been to cook meals both in college and access that through online learning.
Our highlight this term was working on a group project to create a website for a karate club.
Our highlight this term was that the careers team delivered a successful virtual live event for our learners on our 5 key growth areas for Cheshire and Warrington. This actually engaged just under 300 learners.
My highlight for this term was talking to David Woodruff in a Q&A for special effects in LA.
Our highlight this term has been the Virtual Apprenticeship Awards, where we celebrated the success of our apprentices.
Our highlight this term was attending a Wolverhampton conference where we were just talking about how technology influences children in the 21st century, how it's multimodal and it influences children's holistic development.
My highlight this term is being awarded the IET Education Award in Engineering.
My highlight of this term has been safely welcoming all of our learners and colleagues back to